Hi everyone, we're in the kitchen today with Super Bowl champion, former New York Giant, David Diehl. And we're gonna be doing some healthy recipes for your game day table.
We're gonna show you how to make a Super Bowl of turkey chili for your big day. So for this recipe, the ingredients that you'll need are olive oil, an onion, a bell pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, lean ground turkey, crushed tomatoes, kidney beans, chicken broth, chili powder, brown sugar, dried basil, dried oregano, garlic powder, salt, and don't you forget that cayenne pepper.
Heat your olive oil in a large saute pan over medium heat. Add in your onions, bell pepper, and garlic, and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until softened. Add in your lean ground turkey and brown until it's cooked all the way through and no longer pink. Add in your crushed tomatoes, drained and rinsed kidney beans, low sodium chicken broth, and all your spices. Stir together and cover. Leave your lid a little bit loose to let some steam escape. Let your chili simmer for about an hour and it's ready to go. Top your chili with non-fat Greek yogurt, jalapeno slices, lime wedges, and cilantro.
Here we go. This is our turkey chili, and for me, this is a tradition. Wasn't a tradition when I was playing in the big game, but it was a tradition growing up. Now, people forget that you may be a 2-time Super Bowl champion, but you were a fan long before this. So for me, the big game Sunday was my dad getting up, making chili that morning, and getting our family, my brothers, my family members, my cousins, you know, those family memories of getting together, watching the game together, those are things that you'll never forget and memories that you have for a lifetime that you can't duplicate. So it's been awesome being able to make turkey chili and share our recipe with you.
Awesome. Thanks so much, David. Wishing you guys all a happy and healthy game day.